Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about tab management and my favorite Chrome Edge extension that I think solves this problem. So you might have this problem where you have an English essay or you have a history essay and you just have to open up 10-20 tabs just to do research alone. And for me, I definitely experienced this problem myself, so I went searching online for a good tab management software. And if you search on the Chrome extension store, you might find that there are actually a lot of these tab management softwares, but they're actually all not that good. They're either pretty ugly looking or they just don't work like how you want them to. And that's before I stumbled upon this new extension called Workona, which actually accomplishes both. It's extremely flexible with how it manages your tabs, and it also looks really aesthetically pleasing. So today in this video, I'll be going over the upsides of Workona, its features, how I use it, how you can use it, and the cost. So I think the first and most important feature about Workona is the dedicated workspace. So I think this is best illustrated in an example pertaining to me, which is basically it allows you to store tabs based on the projects that you do. I have a project for general stuff, which I include my calendars, my email. Now I have different projects. For example, if I have an English essay that pops up, I would create a new project and say English essay and put all of the resources that I need into that project. The great thing about Workona that I can't find in any other tab management software is that it creates an admin page where you can easily access these different projects, click between which one you want to jump to, and just it creates a really nice UI experience that makes it easy for you to context switch whenever you want to. So basically I don't have to worry about any tabs overcrowding or using too much memory on my computer. Another thing that Workona does really well is that it allows you to move these tabs between the projects. So for example, if I'm searching on the web and I find a tab that's really interesting and could pertain to my English project, I can easily jump to the admin page of Workona, select that tab from the page and drag it into my English project. And in general, I just like to say that this ability for Workona to separate out these projects into different tab groups, I find it really useful for my productivity because it decreases the context switching that I have to do, and it makes me less likely to get distracted whenever I'm working on my English essay and I see a YouTube tab open right next to it. In Workona, it makes it easier to separate out learning from playing, and hopefully if you do implement this, it'll have the same benefits for you. Another great feature about Workona is that it automatically saves your tabs. I used to get really stressed out in the past whenever Chrome accidentally quit or my computer accidentally shut down, because then I'd lose all the tabs that I was working on, and then I'd have to go through the history and just pick out all those tabs that I needed. Workona handles this really well by automatically saving the tabs that you have. So whenever your computer automatically quits, it automatically reopens the tabs that you were last on. I know that nowadays some of these browsers already have this function built in, but if you're looking for a tab management software that automatically saves your tabs in those different projects, it's pretty hard to find. So another great feature about Workona is that you can access your account from anywhere. Since Workona is cloud-based and you make an account with Workona, all of the projects and all of the saved tabs are automatically uploaded to the database and you can access those from anywhere. It's also great that Workona has a phone app and an iPad app, because if you forget to bring your computer, you can just access all those projects and all those websites as if you had your computer with you. And finally, the last feature about Workona that I think makes it stand out above other tab managers is the fact that you have sections within sections. And this is a feature that I discovered recently, and I really think that this helps organize academic projects a lot easier. So within your project, you can save tabs to mini sections that are basically called resources. So if I'm writing an essay, I can create 3 resources for each of my body paragraphs. Then I can save tabs related to each of those body paragraphs to their respective resource sections. So Workona lets you open and close these resources to further decrease any cluttering. So for example, if I just started my essay, I'm working only on body paragraph 1, I can only open the tabs related to body paragraph 1. And when I'm done, I'll close all of those tabs and open up body paragraph 2. This way you can stay focused on one paragraph at a time without having to worry about other resources or other tabs cluttering up your field of view. Now, the only bad thing that I can say about Workona is that they recently introduced a pricing model into their extension. In the free plan, which I'm using right now and I find perfectly fine, gives you 5 projects, and within those projects 3 mini sections or resources. I think these 5 projects are perfectly fine for any student who's looking to just have like a regular general browsing section and a few spare sections for personal projects or school assignments. And I think Workona does such a good job of managing your tabs that you could honestly fit 2 projects into 1 project within Workona anyways. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you learned more about tab management and that you should definitely use Workona. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking down below, and I'll see you next time.